Recent debates have arisen regarding the carbon sequestration role of biochar. Critics argue that large-scale biomass utilization could lead to deforestation and competition with food production, inadvertently prolonging a high-carbon economy model. So, how can biochar overcome the pseudo-green criticism? Globally, more than 1 billion tons of agricultural waste, such as straw, rice husks, etc., and 3 billion tons of forestry residues are produced annually, with less than 20% being utilized. Truly green carbonization must adhere to the non-competitive raw materials first principle, only using waste biomass, completely avoiding deforestation and encroachment on arable land. Carbonization technology transforms these wastes into valuable resources rather than burdens. High-end flue gas treatment. The waste gases produced during biochar production undergo multi-stage treatment processes, including dust removal, adsorption, and desulfurization. This ensures that the emitted gases comply with strict EU emission standards. Internet of Things IoT monitoring. The equipment leverages IoT technology for real-time, visualized operation. It allows for remote monitoring of the carbonization furnace's status at any time, capturing and analyzing key data to ensure transparency and verifiability of the carbon footprint. Only by integrating sustainability into every design element can we ensure that carbon reduction claims withstand scrutiny, effectively eliminating the pseudo-green label from biochar.